COVID-19 vaccine maker BioNTech said construction of an mRNA vaccine factory to serve Africa is set to begin in Rwanda. It follows a pledge by the biotech firm to secure mRNA vaccine production on the continent, where inoculation rates have fallen far behind other parts of the world. Construction is set to begin on June the 23rd. BioNTech partnered with Pfizer to develop the Western world's most widely used COVID-19 shot. The initial factory will be built from an assembly kit and housed in two groups of 6 40-foot shipping containers. These modular factory elements, which will be assembled in Africa to so-called BioNTainers, will be delivered to the Kigali construction site by the end of 2022, BioNTech said in a statement. The factory should kick off vaccine production about 12 months after the delivery of the assembly kit. It is hoped the initial vaccine factory would become part of a wider supply network spanning several African nations, including Senegal and South Africa, over the next few years. The project push comes as Western-made coronavirus vaccine doses finally arrive in force on the continent after a much criticised delay. But uptake in Africa has fallen short of expectations, hurt by misinformation, logistical problems, and a lacking sense of urgency in the population, among other factors. BioNTech has said the BioNTainers could make other mRNA vaccines against malaria or tuberculosis, depending on product development progress and future public health priorities.